Hello guys, good day and welcome to another weekly update, episode 71. So where we stopped last week, we continue with some projects we'll be making this week. So probably I'll be making this one, but I think there's a dedicated tutorial to this particular one you are seeing here. So I just show you this, and later on I'm going to show you that type of material, this red one interior we are working with inside. For a quick view of what we have been doing for like 3 weeks now, you guys can see how everywhere is filled up with bags, both from the micro mini and the midi. Then we have some large there. So let me take you inside to show you some red one I was talking about. Okay, let me on my flash so you guys can see this particular one, part of what we are working on presently this week. So this is two. It's just like the type we showed you last week. Among these two, one has a hand at the front, is a micro mini, then another one, the second one, does not have a hand. So probably in the next clips or before the video end, you see the time lapse of this when we'll be making this and inserting some of the hands and way. So we'll try our best to show you that particular one. So by the way, right now I will continue with the rest of the activities. Once we are done, we'll still be updating you how things are going as we go. So guys, this is our board. It has been long we show you this. We have not much stuff on it except for this particular bag a student of mine she's working on. Probably she's not around today, but when she comes around, if she continue working on it, we might show you some clips on the bag, and probably we might even do a video for her on the bag she's making presently. So there we have some material we have been using. Down again, we've restocked some of our materials. You can see that side is a little bit filled up, but there's still some space there. So probably once we put those one here, there will not even be space to keep those ones. So we are looking for a way to start storing those material. My desk is still filled up just as usual. These bags, one of it is having an issue. So I say one of my students will work on it, but she has not been coming for like few days now because she's very sick. And since I have promised her that she will be the one to fix it, we still keep it for her instead of the rest to do it. So enough talking, let me just show you the view of the shop. Since you guys have seen this for a very long time, that's our CAC certificate, that's our Saddam certificate, and another one for Bella Africa. This is just like a mini studio tour for you guys to see. So guys, enough showing you this. We'll continue with the rest of the activities. So probably, I said I am dedicating a video to this particular bag, a tutorial. It's just something like this, but a little bit more complicated than this. It will have like a shape. So that is what we are trying to make, just something like this. We make this in about 2 weeks ago, but we are making another one that will look better than this one. So I will show you. I will try my best to show you guys some of the process, but watch out for the video. So guys, thank you guys for watching. If you do enjoy this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also give this video a giant thumbs up. When you subscribe, also remember to turn on the post notification bell so that you'll be one of the first people to get notified when we upload another interesting video on this channel. And guys, don't forget our Learn With Me series are still coming up, and some other program we have on this channel. So guys, see you at the other side as I will proceed with the rest of the making. So guys, I just finished for the day. As you can see, this is the bag we are making, just the same thing as that. So here is the Marco you saw earlier. I just finished cutting the hand as well. So probably it's getting dark. It's getting dark. I will be leaving the shop now because this is already almost 6:30. Tomorrow I'll be cutting the bottom, 2 bottom. So the pattern for this particular bag is front and the back, then handle one, then the bottom, which is two bottom, then the cover, which is about 6 panel. So probably I'll be leaving this here. Tomorrow we shall continue from where we stop now. So I'll still update you as things go. I pray I should work tomorrow, because sometimes things might come up that I won't be able to work, or the workshop will be open. So that's the update so far, guys. See you guys tomorrow. You can start now. No, but is it going to work? Just do it the way you are doing it before. You finish cutting everything now. What of the black? Guys, the process is just going. As you can see, you see some time lapse how we finish the micro mini bags, and here our oga at the top is applying gum. We don't want to make mention of her name yet because she's not ready, but you guys can recognize her from her previous video she made. By the way, the rest are coming, isn't it? Why are you shaking your head instead of you to talk?
Yes, yes.
Better. Our wish say our furniture. So I think we're okay. We are making 3 different color. The brown, which is this. We're making the yellow and the black. This is a glossy black. The yellow is matte yellow, and the brown is also matte brown. So later on we'll still update you how the activity is going social. So guys, you have seen all the activities we have been doing. I just finished all this and also making a tutorial for this particular bag design we are doing. So I show you this particular bag earlier that a student make, and you guys have seen it. The black one. As you can see, we follow the pattern accurate. These are the rest we are working on. This yellow and the brown. Right now I will try my best to just finish this, then we'll see as it goes. Are you done? Last night or yesterday, before I finished this, I made a video, but mistakenly I deleted the video, not knowing. So you guys can see now we have to put the glue to finish it up, because not every material you apply gum to and gum will stick to the good face. Everything we have to apply super glue to, just like we are doing on this one now. We're applying glue to the super glue. That's that. Just have to do to this yellow. Guys, this is the bag for you. Hope you guys enjoy watching this particular week updates. So probably next week, if these bags are not gone, you still see them. If they are gone, so be it, but finger crossed. I can't see anything about that yet. You can see that bag there. We're about to make the tutorial for the bag. If you are smiling, why are you smiling? Yeah? Why is it that if you're on camera you'll be silent? Well, you and Fatia, you and your mix are here. That's why you are silent. No, even if you want to talk now, you will talk with a lower voice. So guys, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the post notification bell, give this video a giant thumbs up. Leave in the comment section down below what you think. If you like any of this bag, they are all for sale. Cool? They are all for sale, and we can make your own bags as well. The link will be in the description. The WhatsApp will also be in the description.